is a visit of solidarity with indigenous communities in Suriname and around the world. It is very important to recognize that indigenous communities are showing the wisdom, the resilience, and the will to be in peace with nature.
I will do something that I don't do for everybody. But I will do it for you because of all the things that are on your shoulder.
I also saw firsthand how Suriname is working to monitor and preserve essential mangrove systems which are threatened by sea level rise and coastal erosion. We are in trouble with Mother Nature. Nature-based solutions such as preserving and developing mangroves, rainforests and other essential ecosystems are vital.